Special prosecutors Kari Morrissey and Jason Lewis after a comprehensive investigation of the last few months. Mr. Baldwin's Hallna Hutchins death and the of Joel Souza'nın additional facts that we believe to be criminal guilt. We believe that the appropriate way of action is to allow New Mexico citizens to determine whether a panel will be kept for the criminal case of Mr. Baldwin. We will respond to any accusation in court. Alec Baldwin was accused of cutting the corners before deadly past court documents. Morrissey and Lewis are planning to present their cases to a large jury in the next 2 months. The great jury will then determine whether there is a possible reason to attribute Baldwin to criminal charges. Alec Baldwin loses an attempt to file a lawsuit in the past war because he may face new criminal charges. Baldwin was initially accused of involuntary in January after a year after the of cinematographer Hallna Hutchins in the Western film played and produced by Baldwin. Penal accusations were rejected in April after specifying that special prosecutors stated that more investigations and judicial analysis would not be completed before the start of a preliminary hearing planned in May. Hutchins was killed on the New Mexico set of The West, and director Joel Souza'nın was injured with gun held by Baldwin while reheating a scene in church on the 21st of October 2021. The weapon that killed Baldwin. Hutchins. Baldwin's production company was recently ordered by a judge transfer the documents. Investigate whether prosecutors tried cut the corners on security measures make a bigger profit. The state demanded documents after noting that the legal team of Hannah Gutierrez-Reed, the Rust armor, believed that additional security training was rejected due to financial motives. Rust Movie Productions argued that the court subpoena was an obvious identity hunting expedition to make accusations against Baldwin for the documents opened by special prosecutors. Is it as you read? PA Production must stop trying to hide Ball and be transparent in the future with related information. In August, Gutierrez-Reed made an innocent objection to killing an involuntary man on charges of evidence. Gutierrez-Reed's crime from February to the end of March on Tuesday. The new hearing dates. In addition, State Rust Deputy Director David Halson before the hearing of briefing was reported to be completed. Baldwin is still faced with a handful of civilian lawsuits brought by Mamie Mitchell and the other Hutchins' mother, father and sister. In midst of the legal drama, Baldwin, actor and crew made film Rust in May.